Hey, Hank, what'd you get for Christmas?
What'd you get?
The gifts.
The gifts? What did you get?
Bike.
And you got cars?
You want to open up the gift from Gray Dad? Right there? Open that gift. That's from Gray Dad. The blue one. This one right here, Hank. Yeah, open this one. It's from Gray Dad. Open it up. Rip it up. It is sticky.
Wow.
Open it up. Rip it open. Rip it open. Don't use your teeth.
Let's see.
Start it. Rip it open. What is it?
Oh.
Oh, who gave you that? That was Great Dad and Grandma.
Is that a Thomas?
Flashlight.
And a flashlight. How cool is that?
Perfect.
Open it. Daddy, open it.
Can you see?
Let me
Okay, well, let's get it open, okay?
open it.